who am at school. Today is basically just going to be like a housekeeping day for me, and that's pretty much it, because I'm not packing up my classroom, I'm not setting up my classroom just yet, I'm not moving classrooms, so I'll probably just throw away a couple of things, label a couple of things, and that's gonna be pretty much it for today. So y'all, I'm in my classroom. I'm a little bit upset, but it's okay, because I guess when they were cleaning for COVID-19, they took down like my whole bulletin board, and I cannot find it. And like, if you know me, my bulletin board is very detailed. I do my own letters. I take the time to laminate the letters, cut them out, and I always have like burlap on my bulletin boards, kind of like this right here. But I cannot find my bulletin board pieces, the fabric I use, nothing. Okay, a little bit upset. Let me show you all my classroom though. It looks a little bit empty because in, I believe it was November, we had to take like everything off the wall because the painters were coming to paint. And when it came to December, I did not feel like putting all that stuff back on the wall. So I just put like the necessary stuff back on the wall. But it was stuff like all on this wall, up here, over here, and even up here and in this area. But it would have just been too much to put it back up. So y'all, oh, my eyes are red. I must be tired. But I'm just gonna start like just doing some housekeeping things. Like I said, throwing some things away, and that's gonna be pretty much it for today. And I'm gonna get back on like my bulletin board like pieces. I know I just said I was about to like, you know, do housekeeping, but this is like, I guess it's a day for rant. But that bulletin board was about George Washington Carver. It was our Black History Month bulletin board. Like, we worked on that bulletin board, you guys. I'm so serious about that bulletin board, and I'm upset. Okay, y'all, like I am all dirty, dusty, and I'm about to go. It's probably like 10:30 or 11. Let me see. It is, oh my gosh, it's 11:10, and I've been here since 9 o'clock, so that's enough. Whenever they let me come back out again, I will come back out. But I am going home. But I kind of wanted to like walk you all through like my thought process for this upcoming school year, and what I plan on doing. Door, right? So I'm thinking either right here or right here is where I'm going to hang my students' headphones. These were their same hall passes from the last school year. I'm going to change these out because they're just very sanitary. I probably will add like some type of decoration up here. Ooh, I got trash bags, y'all. I told y'all I was cleaning today. But this is like my miscellaneous table where I think I'm just going to put like pencils, the pencil sharpeners. This is my other like information table, I call it, because I put like my clipboards here, transportation things. I usually put like just papers here. My file cabinet more than likely would stay here. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my file cabinet here. This cart, I think I'm gonna put it by my desk because I had it over here and I did not use it the past school year, so I'm gonna put it by my desk and see if that makes a difference. This freak, I forgot what this is called. Y'all, remind me in the comment section. But this right here is going to go at my small group table back here. I did not use my small group table the last school year. It was kind of like my junk table, and I do not want to make that mistake again. So that is going to go over there. These are the cards that we like have to put up for open court phonics. At the top, I think I'm going to put my letters back, like my cutesy letters, in the number line. I don't like this. I don't know. You know what? I think I'm going to like take our class expectations down, because we really didn't even use like these rules. So I feel like this is pointless. And I think I'm going to turn it into like a student work hall of fame and make it like a, you know, big deal if you get up here in this section. Let's see. Look at all these English charts that I still have from school. So I do not like this as well, right? It's cute and everything, but I think I'm going to take like all this down, and I'm not going to use these anymore. I'm just going to use the title and put it on the actual whiteboard so I can write the standards out, because it was just so difficult trying to like do all this extra stuff. And I'm going to take the burlap and the blue fabric, because if these two are attached, and I'm going to probably put it back there in the reading section, and then put like, you know, how to, you know, read or something like that. My desk, I was just doing too much. It was cat corner. It's going straight next year. Let's move on here. This is really, really cute at the beginning of the school year, but like I said, I had to take it down because of the paint. But I had like, let me see, what did I have up here? Geesh. I had like tens frames, like counting by tens, counting by fives up here. I had like shapes right here. I will put that back. So this is like my like data wall, math data. That really didn't work out last year. As you can see, there's absolutely no data. Grizzlies are basically for behavior. And then we have reading for AR. So I have to organize like this area, you guys, please. And I call myself like trying to be cheap and buy these like $1 bins before I actually bought the ones from Amazon. And these failed. Look how they look. But I may be able to take them and do something. This is my failing word wall. No words. You can see I've been through a lot. These are my reading and math groups. I'm not going to go down because it's going to show the student names. But this is where I had their reading and math stations displayed. I had no organization. I'm not afraid to say I had no organization within my classroom library. And so this upcoming school year, I need to find like some type of way to organize these books. My lamp. I don't know what I'm gonna do over here. Over here, right here, I had a map of USA. So I don't know. So let me show you guys the whole classroom. I have a huge amount of space. Oh, look at my little broom. And that was my thought process, you guys. I'm going to end this vlog right here because I'm tired. I'm gonna go home and I'm going to take me a nap. I really hope you all enjoyed this vlog, but I will see you all in the next one.